In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive listings on Facebook Marketplace. Archiving is the quickest way to tidy up your shop without losing your work. When you archive a listing, you hide it from public marketplace search and from your active list, but you can bring it back or remove it for good later. It's perfect for items that are out of stock, seasonal, or temporarily on hold. First, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website and sign in if you're not already. From the home screen, tap the marketplace icon. On mobile, it's usually at the bottom of the screen. On desktop, you'll find it in the left sidebar. This takes you into the Marketplace home. Next, get to your own inventory. In Marketplace, tap your profile or the person icon to open your account area, then choose your listings. Depending on your view, you might also see a selling tab that takes you to the same place. Here you'll see all of your active Marketplace listings together, so you can quickly decide what needs to be archived. Now pick the item you want to move off the active list. Open that listing to see its details. Look for the three dots menu, sometimes labeled More Options. Tap it, then choose Archive Listing or Mark as Archived depending on the version you're using. That's it. The item disappears from public search and from your active listings, but it isn't deleted. Any existing messages stay in your inbox, and you keep the photos and descriptions so you don't have to recreate anything later. Whenever you want to review what you've archived, return to your listings and open the Archive section. This is your private storage area for old or paused items. From here, you may be able to renew a listing to refresh its visibility, republish it to make it active again, or delete it permanently if you're done with it. Use this space to keep your catalog organized and to quickly bring back items when you're ready to sell them again. That's the full process. Open Facebook and go to Marketplace. Head to your listings or selling, open a listing and archive it, then manage everything later from the archived section. With this workflow, you stay organized, reduce clutter for buyers, and keep full control of your inventory at all times. Keep these steps handy the next time you manage your marketplace posts so you can move quickly and confidently.